Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How do you do? We hope you all are safe from pandemic coronavirus. We have the idea that you are missing your school. Inshallah, school will be open very soon. Till then, we will learn through virtual classes. So students, wash your hands time and again. Stay home, stay safe. And our unit number 1 is nutrition in plants. So my dear student, today we will learn about nutrition in plants. What are plants? Plants are living things. Dear student, what plants are? What is the mode of nutrition of plants? Basically, plants are producers because plants can make their own food. Let's read the introduction of this unit. All living organisms need food for their existence. As you all know that we all need which thing for our existence? For our existence we need food. Food provides us with the energy to carry out various life sustaining activities. So we need food for which purpose? For our life sustaining activities. Energy is locked in the form of chemical energy in food. Now energy is locked in which form? In the form of chemical energy. To release this energy, the complex food that we eat must be converted to simple substance. This happens during the process of nutrition. So when this happens during the process of nutrition. Plants, being living organisms, also perform nutrition. As you know students, plants are also living organisms, so they also perform nutrition. They also need energy to perform various life-sustaining activities in their body. As plants do not have a mouth or digestive system like we have, they take their nutrients from the soil and carry them toward the leaves to make their own food. As plants do not have mouth and digestive system like we have, they take the nutrition from the soil and carry them toward the leaves to make their food. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are the major nutrients in the bodies of plants. As you know students, plants do not have mouth or any digestive system. So they take their food from the soil with the help of roots, and nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are the major food nutrition for the plants. Let's know about the nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition has been derived from the words nutrient. Dear student, nutrition derived from the word nutrient. Nutrition is a substance which the organism obtain from the surrounding to derive energy from their maintenance and growth. So nutrition is very necessary for maintenance and growth. Thus the term nutrition refer to the means by which an organism obtain its food, and also the process by which nutrition in food are broken down to simpler molecules for utilization by the body. Dear student, nutrition helps us to broken down the complex molecules into the simpler molecules. Various inorganic and organic raw materials are required for building and the structure and maintaining the body functions of the organism. As you know student, we need food for the maintaining of our body functions. They are broken down by different modes of nutrition. Now let's know about the different modes of nutrition. Different modes of nutrition. The mechanism by which organisms obtain their food are referred as the mode of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. Here the mechanism by which the organism obtain their food. Organisms either synthesizes their own food or obtain the food prepared by the other organisms in various ways There are basically two modes of nutrition. Here we are going to discuss how many types of modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition, and what are that? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Remember these two names. There are two types of mode of nutrition. One is your autotrophic and other is your heterotrophic. Let's know about what is autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, khud b khud. So auto means self and trophic means food. Trophic means food. Auto means self, trophic means food. Again, auto means self, trophic means food. The organism which synthesizes their food are called autotrophs. So the students, the organisms that make their own food, that synthesize their own food, are known as autotrophs, and this process of synthesizing food is called autotrophic nutrition. And this process of synthesizing means making. So this process of making food is called autotrophic. All green plants, cyanobacteria, are called the autotrophs. Remember students, all the green plants and cyanobacteria are autotrophs. Why? Because they make their own food. They make their own food with the help of which thing? With the help of light energy of the sun, carbon dioxide that we release in the air, and the water from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. So my dear students, photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their own food with the help of which thing? With the help of light energy from the sun, with the help of carbon dioxide from the air, with the help of water from the soil. So this process is called photosynthesis. Now my dear students, let's move toward today's task. Our task number 1 is fill in the blanks. Dear student, you have to note these tasks on your notebook and learn as well. Let's move toward our task number 1. Task number 1 is fill in the blanks to complete the following statement. All organisms need dash for their existence. Which thing? Need food. FOOD. So all organisms need dash for their existence. Food. Plants take nutrients from the dash. From the soil. SOIL. There are dash modes of nutrition. There are two. One is autotroph and the other is heterotroph. All green plants and cyanobacteria are autotrophs. AUTO, auto, TROPHS. Trophs, autotrophs. Autotrophs means that the plant that make their own food. Plant make their own food in the process is the process called photosynthesis. So this process is called photosynthesis because they make their own food in the presence of sunlight. So plants make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Let's move toward task number 2. This is true and false. Let's move toward the major nutrients in plants are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Yes, this statement is true. Major nutrients in plants are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Plants take their nutrients from water. No, this is false. They take their nutrients from water. This is false. Let's move to our short question answers. Here is your short question answer. So please note this question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the substance that organisms obtain from their surroundings. So nutrients are the substance that organisms obtain from their surroundings to drive energy. To drive what thing? To drive energy for growth and maintenance. Why organisms require energy? Organisms require energy for growth and maintenance. sense. Define nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which an organism obtains its food. Name two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. What are autotrophs? The organisms which synthesize their food are called autotrophs. Let's move to our task number 4. Our task number 4 is match the column A and B. Column number 1 has some statements and column number B has some statements. Now let us match them. Organisms which synthesize their food are called autotrophs. Similarly, plants prepare their food in a process photosynthesis. Similarly, next line is mode of nutrition in organism. How many mode? 2 mode. So you have to make column C and write the correct answer on the column C. Let's move toward your today's homework. Do task number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on notebook. As you know that your task number 1 contains fill in the blanks, 2 contains true false, 3 contains short question answer, 4 contains match the column.